Number 5. The woman told the man there was a call for him online too. She said it was the supply department about our paper order. He wanted to confirm how many boxes of paper the man wanted. The man replied, told him he would call him right back, and he said he was reviewing applications for the sales position. The woman commented he needed to know that day if the order was for 13 or 30 boxes. He said 30 on his form, however, it was a lot more than usual. The man replied, told him 30 and they would be printing a lot of leaflets that month. Number 6. The woman said hello to the man and she offered help him. The man replied he was looking for back with and drum the attorneys, and he said he had thought their office had been in that building. However, he couldn't seem to find their name on the signboard. He must be in the wrong place. The woman commented they had used to have an office in that building. However, they had moved 2 blocks away to 15 West 87th Street, Suite 300, and she said they were still using their old phone number if he wanted to call them.